Today we are going to be reviewing this lovely Mustang. Not gonna lie, I was pretty impressed with it just by looking at it. We gonna look at these beautiful rims right here, man. Not gonna lie, they hard. With the Saleen, I don't know, them look like some Brembos, but I don't know.
I'm talking about the Saleen sticker right here.
Oh, okay.
They added to it, and that's the price of it. Saleen, and they converted it, put all this stuff on there.
Okay, got you. Looking at this sticker right here, which is the Saleen, I said it correctly. This one run for 60 bands. 2021 Saleen 302. Man, and so, woo. So it's a 5.0 V8 engine. No, we can't get no V6s out here. I don't see the reason why you would get a V6, but I mean, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. I'm not gonna judge you, but I'm not getting no V6 with any muscle car. Do you hear me? This sticker right here is just the base model. It's just the basic of it. But with everything on it, you'll get this sticker right here, the Saleen. And I like how they got the little accents on here. You got the Saleen 4-valve on here. You know, got the Saleen rims and brake calipers with the mean aggressive front lip, honestly. Man. So right here, if you see on the front bumper of it, it'll give you which one you actually bought. This is the 19th one that was actually built by Saleen. Got the headlights looking like the ones I get on my Jeep. And we also have on the front, not sure if these are, I think these are non-working, honestly, but it does look for a good aesthetic. Like, look at how it sits, man. Real dope. All right, so we're on the inside of the Mustang Saleen. So you do have your navigation right here, man. You have your climate control, all that good stuff. Right here, you can turn off and turn on, skip your music and stuff like that. And one good thing about it, I do like this gear shift. Honestly, when I first got in, I was looking for it to be on this backside, but me, I got in, I was like, I don't know where it's at. But anyway, so they did change up the interior just a little bit. We are going to do the tall people check, even though we already know I cannot fit back there. I cannot fit back there. No, not at all. So, you know, you got your cup holders. They did a good job with the key fob. It's a little something, a little different. I do like it. But you got your cup holders right here, man. And right here on the side, we're gonna look inside the armrest, which is pretty nice as well. I don't know, let's see. So on the inside, I don't know. Oh, there we go. So on the inside, you know, you got your regular cigarette lighter. And you do have one USB port, which is pretty nice, honestly. It's not really big. I can really just fit my whole hand in there, but I mean, if that's what you like. And you also do have a USB port at the bottom as well. I'm not sure if this is, oh yeah, we have a cigarette lighter right here as well. So it is a push start. The car is already on. I have to turn the steering wheel, but let's look at the steering wheel, man. Honestly, it feels very smooth. It's a little leathery, you know. Got a little Alcantara right here. This is the Saleen package. And so one thing that I did not notice in this Mustang, they do have paddle shifters. I may be late as far as the paddle shifters. We're not gonna talk about it, but I did think that was pretty nice. Looking at the dash, I do enjoy this dash. Saleen did a real good job as far as doing that as well. And so looking at the inside, looking at the front, it's not bad. I would drive it, honestly. And so let's do the tall person check. Obviously, you know I gotta do it. So therefore, let's get on the outside. So we actually gonna try to get in. Let's see. First off, this is not gonna work. Mind y'all, I did hurt my leg. I tore my Achilles. We'll do it. I have a boot on. So before I even just try to get in, I'm not gonna pull the seat back because I have no headroom. If I really wanted to be in here, I would actually have to lay down. Am I finna lay down? No. It's hot. But no, I don't have any headroom at all. I can't even sit straight up in here. So yeah, tall person check. And backseat ain't it. Like, look at it. With the seat being all the way back, short people probably can't even fit in here either. You have to scoot the dang on seat up. You have to scoot the seat up all the way up to the front just for somebody small to even get in here. No, we're not gonna do that. So let's get out. All right, we're finally out of the Saleen. Took me a good little minute to get up out of there, but I'm out. But let's look at the Saleen from the outside. So, you know, you still got your gas cap where you actually got it should be a button on the inside to where, you know, you can pop the trunk and you can actually open the gas cap as well, unless, I highly doubt. Oh, my bad, I lied. We got 20-inch rims on the front and the back. We're not gonna talk about how I didn't know that, but anyway, that's why we're here for the review, you know. So we gonna figure it out. And again, you do have the Saleen brake calipers, you do have the 20-inch rims, you do have the decals on the side of the car, the 19th made with the Saleen decal on the front with the aggressive front bumper as well. One thing I didn't do, we gotta look at the engine with the hood up. So therefore, that's what we finna do. You gotta do it just right there on the side. So let's go ahead and take a look inside this trunk. So inside the trunk, you actually got a little bit of space on the inside. I mean, it's not much to where, you know, I actually try to get in the trunk. I'm not getting in there. I know I ain't finna fit in there. I mean, I could fit inside the Challenger, but let's be honest, I'm not finna get in there. That is too small. If the back seat is small, why would I try to get in the trunk? You know, if somebody did get stuck in the trunk, you just pull this little lever and it'll automatically open. So that's pretty neat. All right, let's move on to the front. So we popped the hood. We gotta find it. Oh man, am I tripping? Oh, I found it. There we go. There we go. So let's go on, set this up right quick. So they don't have it to where, you know, it just automatically stays up. You know, you gotta still use the old school bar. So looking at it on the inside, I do like this whole setup, to be honest. You know, you got the 302 right here, Saleen crossbar on the front of the engine. Saleen did a real good job as far as aesthetics. They could have did a little bit better as far as this part, but hey, I'm not complaining. We still gonna have a good drive. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, you know. Make sure you tell your friends. Drop in the comments, which would you prefer? Would you prefer the Saleen or would you prefer the Challenger RT or the Scat Pack? I haven't test drove the Scat Pack yet, but would you prefer the Charger, or the Saleen Mustang? Hopefully we can get our hands on the GT500. That's what I want to test drive, but you know, we'll get there eventually. So I think it's time for us to make a little drive, don't you think? So let's go. All right, guys, and so we're gonna introduce the person that actually helped me, you know, test drive and review this beautiful Mustang. Let's go ahead and meet him.
Hi folks, my name is Rodney Pope. I'm with Cannon Ford of Starkville.
Go ahead and give him your contact.
Number 662-323-1900. and we're on Highway 182 East in Starkville. Come on and join us.
All right. So there you have it. We got Mr. Rodney right here. You know, y'all go show some love. Do y'all have GT 500s in?
Got one coming.
Woo! Come and rock with my man. He took care of me. I know he gonna take care of y'all. So let's get it. All right, so we wasn't able to test drive. Well, we wasn't able to actually put the Mustang on the highway the other day because the guy ended up having a customer come up to the office, so we had to drive back. So we're back here today to get that test drive. So I'm gonna bring y'all along so we can go and, you know, we're gonna get that done. Don't mind my do-rag, you know, gotta keep the hair fresh, even though it's not fresh. But even, we ain't gonna talk about all that. So let's go ahead and get this test drive. Hopefully, you know, we're gonna get some stuff going. All right, so I'll see y'all when we actually get to the test drive. We're gonna put this seatbelt on for safety. And y'all make sure y'all go come and check out Mr. Rodney over here at Cannon Ford on 182 in Starkville, Mississippi. All right. There we go. So how long have you been in into the car business?
About 25 years.
Woo! Man, has it been good to you?
Yeah, it's been good. Pay the bills.
So, have you ever driven one of these?
Yeah.
Like actually driven
Yeah.
it? So you're a car guy yourself?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. What's your dream car?
I don't really have a dream car. I like all of them.
Okay. Just a connoisseur of vehicles. That's what's up. I know right now. I was looking into. Have you heard of the TRX? The Ram TRX.
I don't think I have.
So basically, it got a Hellcat engine inside of a pickup truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's competing with the well, it's beating the Raptor right now. But I know they supposed to be coming out with something new pretty soon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we'll see how that competes with it. So, got a little kick to it too.
Got a little
get a truck, or would you prefer to actually stay in a car?
Yeah, I'm a truck person mostly.
See, I told y'all gotta get you a truck. Especially when you have bad weather and stuff like that, man. Definitely gotta get you a truck. Alright, man, so test drive over with, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Alright, man, so I know that video wasn't really that long, not like what we usually do, but you know, it is a little wet. The ground's a little wet out here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I might do a comparison on how different the Mustang was from the Charger and the Challenger, so y'all stay tuned for that video. I also have a few more videos coming up, so y'all stay tuned for all of that. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, same thing as the YouTube, Mac No Cap. I also do photography, getting into videography, so if, hey, hit your boy up. Everything gonna be in the description below. And yeah, so this video is over. Make sure y'all, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see on the channel next. You know, I told y'all I'll travel to go